Hi friends, welcome to GHAR KA DESI SWAD, and today we are going to make mini sandwich of bread cooking without fire. Or don't forget to subscribe GHAR KA DESI SWAD and hit the bell icon and like the video. So put the butter carefully on this slice. Okay. Now, when you're done, you have to spread all sauce or ketchup or mayonnaise and butter. So we need to spread it all. Make sure your ketchup goes on every part of the bread. Okay, now it's butter done. Okay, when butter is done, you have to put some masala, pav bhaji masala, or any you want. Only one pinch. Spread it. Okay, when you're done with masala, now take some one pinch or only one pinch or your taste, with your taste. Keep the salt. Put the salt on your slices of bread, butter, and okay. When you're done, now you're done. Now you have to put some cucumbers on it. Okay then. Now like this you have to put all cucumbers on your odd bread pieces. Chalo. Take the slices and put it carefully like this, and okay, I've done a mistake. Okay,
Corn.
do it carefully. Press it once and take toothpick. Take 4 toothpicks because I did take 4 toothpicks and the knife. First we need ketchup, some more ketchup. Okay. put it like this, like this, and it's broken for here. I make a mess. Okay, now you're done. Put the toothpick between the sauce or ketchup, what do you want to say. Do it carefully, don't like me. Cut. Okay, now it's done. This is our mayonnaise. I done it off camera. Let me taste once. This is so yummy. I never thought this will be so yummy. Don't forget to subscribe. GHAR KA DESI SWAD. Like, share, subscribe and comment. GHAR KA DESI SWAD, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Okay. आप मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि मैं ये कुकिंग विदाउट फायर का चैलेंज का विनर अनाउंस हो सकूँ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।